Comfortably sit in Vajrasana. Now with your hands, make a fist with the thumb tucked well inside your forefingers. Place your fist on the abdomen region on both sides of your navel. Take a deep inhale. Now exhale and bend forward slowly and start pressing the navel with your fists. Hold the breath when you are in that position and keep looking straight. Stay in this position for some time. Inhale and come back to the starting position. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Sit straight in Dandasana where your both legs stretched forward and spine is erect. Bend your right leg and keep your right foot close to the left knee and keep it on the left side and fold the left leg as well. As you exhale, take your left elbow and place it on the outer side of your right thigh. Now the right hand goes all the way back. For a deeper stretch, you can also try to hold the left knee with your left hand. Be relaxed in this position and absorb the body. You can either gaze back or straight based on your comfortability. Breathe and hold for 4 to 7 breaths and come back to the original position and relax. Repeat it on the other side as well. Stand on a yoga mat, keeping your body in a straight line and keep your legs slightly apart. Now keep your toes out to 45 degrees. Exhaling, slowly bend your knees and try to touch the floor. Now slowly drop your hip down and press your palms together as Namaste pose to open up your chest wider. The knee points should be pushed away from your elbow points. Your spine should be lifted up and do not round your shoulder. Be in this position for as long as you can and keep your breathing deep. Now slowly touch the floor and come back to the standing position and relax. Come into the tabletop position with a neutral spine. As you inhale, drop the back, head up and gaze straight ahead. This is called cow stretch. As you exhale, you arch your back by looking at your knee. This is called cat stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can also try to hold in this position for at least 30 seconds and repeat the process as much as you can and relax in tabletop position. Gently begin to sit in Vajrasana with your knees slightly wide apart. Now slowly inhale, lift your arms all the way up, creating length in your spine and begin to come in child's pose. Now slowly inhale and slide your body all the way forward and let your neck relax. Breathe into your back, feeling the spine lengthen in both directions. Stay in the pose and do normal breathing for 6 to 12 times. After this, slowly release the pose and relax in child's posture. Lie down flat on your back. Inhale and lift your legs up, bringing both your knees close to your chest. With the arms stretched inside your legs, hold your big toes using a toe lock. Now gently open up your hips, widen your legs to deepen the stretch. Please make sure your head is resting on the floor Tag each ankle directly over the knee so the shins are perpendicular to the floor. Keep your back of the neck and the shoulders down to the floor. Your whole region of the back and spine ought to be pressed flat on the ground. Press the knees down to feel the stretch on the hip, groin and thigh. Breathe normally and hold the pose for 30 seconds. And come back and relax in normal position.